Hi everybody, it's Carl with Carl's Custom Amps, and today what we're going to look at is the difference in idle hum and total floor noise with the amp all the way up between a Fender 57 champ and my classic Tweed champ. One of the complaints I often get about the 57 champ is that it's got a loud idle hum, and this is mostly due to just not addressing the hum issue that you see in single-ended amps or amps with a single power tube. A lot of the way it's wired and some of the component choices really add to the noise as you turn the amp up. And so hopefully what you're going to see today is we're going to take a decibel meter, we're going to measure the ambient noise in the room, and then we're going to measure the amp at idle with it on once it's warmed up, and then the amp with it turned all the way up. And that way we'll have a comparison between the amp I build and the 57 champ. Okay, let's see what happens. So the room noise right now is about 34.5 or so. I'm going to turn this amp on and let it warm up. We're roughly now at 38.2 with the amp warmed up. Now I'm going to turn this amp all the way up. And we're roughly at 47 dB now with the amp all the way up. The ambient noise in here is about 34.2. Now I'm going to turn the amp on and let it warm up. So now with the amp warmed up, the idle noise from the amp and the ambient noise, we're getting 35.2 roughly. I've now turned the amp all the way up. We're roughly at 47 dB now with the amp all the way up.